The search for new planets and the possibility of colonizing them. The search for new planets has been a topic of human curiosity and fascination for centuries. With the advancement of technology, scientists are now able to detect and study planets outside of our solar system with increasing accuracy. As we continue to discover new worlds, the question of whether or not we can colonize them becomes ever more pressing. The possibility of finding another planet capable of supporting human life is not only exciting, but also raises important ethical and practical considerations for the future of our species. The search for a new planet. The search for a new planet has been a topic of great interest for scientists and space enthusiasts alike. With the advancements in technology and the increasing understanding of the universe, the search for a new planet has become more feasible than ever before. The main goal of this search is to find a planet that is similar to Earth in terms of its size, atmosphere, and possibility of sustaining life. The search for such a planet is important because it could provide a potential new home for humanity in the future. The search has been ongoing for many years, and scientists have been using various methods such as telescopes and space missions to scan the universe for potential candidates. The most promising method of finding a new planet is by using the transit method, which involves observing a planet as it passes in front of its star. This method allows scientists to detect the planet's size, orbit, and atmosphere. Another method is radial velocity, which measures the small wobble of a star caused by the gravitational pull of an orbiting planet. With the help of these methods, scientists have discovered thousands of exoplanets, some of which are located in the habitable zone, making them potential candidates for hosting life. The search for a new planet is a complex and challenging task, but with the continued advancements in technology and the increasing understanding of the universe, it's only a matter of time before we find a new planet that could be our new home. The potential obstacles to space colonization include very large energy requirements, health and reproductive challenges from microgravity and cosmic radiation, short human lifespans in comparison with great distances for interstellar travel, maintaining a minimal level of genetic diversity, finding a hospitable target, substantial scale requirements for building another civilization, economic challenges due to large costs and delayed returns, and potential political resistance. Each of these obstacles has various proposed solutions and/or arguments that the problem is not insurmountable. Many of these obstacles would be easier to overcome given potential advances in AI, robotics, manufacturing, and propulsion technology. Deeper investigation of this topic could address the feasibility of the relevant advances in AI, robotics, manufacturing, and propulsion technology. My intuition is that such investigation would lend further support to the conclusion that interstellar colonization will eventually be possible. How will we colonize other planets? Colonizing new planets is an ambitious and complex endeavor that will require a combination of advanced technology, scientific understanding, and international cooperation. The first step in colonizing a new planet will be to select a suitable candidate. This will involve a thorough analysis of the planet's atmosphere, geology, and resources to determine if it is capable of supporting human life. Once a suitable planet is identified, a team of scientists and engineers will design and build a spacecraft that is capable of traveling to the planet and landing safely. The spacecraft will be equipped with various instruments and tools that will be used to collect data and samples from the planet's surface. This data will be analyzed to determine if the planet is suitable for human habitation. If the planet is found to be suitable, the next step will be to establish a permanent base on the planet. This will involve building structures that can withstand the harsh conditions of the planet's environment and providing the necessary infrastructure to support human life. Lee, a planetary scientist at the SETI Institute in California, is the director of the NASA Houghton Mars project, where he uses this analog Mars environment to investigate scientific questions concerning how humans might threaten life on other planets we colonize. For example, if humans travel to Mars, would microbes transferred from our bodies thrive on Martian soil, threatening native Martian microbes and disrupting native ecosystems? Recent results from Lee's research suggest the answer to that is no, at least not on the surface of Martian soil. Mars' harsh climate and high UV radiation would kill off many of the microbes we may accidentally bring from Earth. But the Houghton Mars Project, along with other Mars analog study sites in Antarctica and the Atacama Desert in Chile, also inadvertently bring to light numerous ethical questions of how we should behave as interplanetary colonists. As humans accelerate their space travel capacity and aim to colonize Mars in the next several decades, these questions are becoming less lofty and more immediately urgent. Here's another scenario. If humans were to land on Mars and were somehow lethally threatened by Martians, should humans attack the Martians? In his personal opinion, Lee says the answer would be yes. If at some point it came down to either me or the microbe on Mars that's going to survive, I'm probably not going to hesitate, he says. Yet these are not simple questions to address and are not within the realm of the Houghton Mars Project to answer. The International Council for Science, consisting of 142 countries, has organized a Committee on Space Research, COSPAR, to help answer some of these questions, and a United Nations Outer Space Treaty, in place since 1967, also helped streamline some of the ethical and legal implications that this issue raises. Once the base is established, the next step will be to send a team of colonists to the planet. These colonists will be trained to live and work in the harsh conditions of the planet and will be responsible for maintaining the base and exploring the planet. The colonists will also be responsible for growing food and establishing a sustainable ecosystem on the planet. The final step in colonizing a new planet will be to establish communication and transportation links between the colony and Earth. This will involve building a communications network and developing spacecraft that can travel back and forth between the colony and Earth. This will allow for the exchange of goods, resources, and people between the colony and Earth. In conclusion, colonizing new planets will be a challenging and complex endeavor that will require advanced technology, scientific understanding, and international cooperation. However, with the right resources and support, it is possible to establish a permanent human presence on other planets and expand our understanding of the universe. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss any video from Space Files.